Hi guys, this is the LRC54. It is the fabric protector and waterproofer. This does exactly what it says on the bottle. It protects all types of fabrics. That can be a fabric in a car, like car seats, carpets, door cards. It can even be a fabric couch at home, or the carpets at home, or even a pair of fabric sneakers, or a fabric top that you wear outside, like a shell top or anything like that. You know, it will protect those when you spray it on. It's going to give it a full waterproof protection, and it's going to stop it from stains and stuff like that. So if you're out walking with your favorite pair of sneakers or your favorite pair of hiking boots or hiking shoes, spray on this protector and allow it to dry. Give it a good 2 to 3 coatings, and it is going to protect you and keep your feet dry and stain free, and make cleaning so simple and so easy when you get back from that hike or walk. It is brilliant. LRC54 is a fantastic fabric, protector and waterproofer. So application is very, very simple with LRC54. It's got a little tab here that locks the trigger, so those are locked in transit. Move this to the left or to the right, and what that will do is allow you to use the trigger spray. So just remember that. Please do unlock. As you can see, it's locked again. Application of LRC54 is very, very simple. You are going to spray on a coating of this, but before you use this, what I would say is put on some gloves, put on a mask, the similar sort of mask that you wore during COVID and that sort of thing. They're absolutely perfect. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. It is a non-harmful product. It is water-based, is LRC54, so there's nothing sort of like toxic in there, like you do get with like solvent versions, so it's fantastic. It's just a simple irritant warning label. But as I say, key, please make sure you have a mask on, gloves on, obviously for things like skin irritations and stuff like that for people with skin allergies. But obviously ventilation is key. Please make sure you're in a well-ventilated area when doing it. Simply spray a coating on, of LRC54 onto the surface, and then use a brush and wipe the fibres in the opposite direction. If you think about this, if the fibres are stuck up, and if you've got them lead down and you just spray that coating on, you're coating here. If you were to then one day brush over that and it brushes your fibres up into the opposite direction, they're not going to be coated. So make sure that when you spray on the coating, brush the fibres this way, spray on the LRC54 in that direction, allow it to dry, brush the fibres back, spray it that way, and then left and then right. It's a very simple process. So you're going to put like 4 spray applications on initially of LRC54, but that is how you apply and use the fabric protector and waterproofer from the Leather Repair Company. That's LRC54. Hop on over to the website, leatherrepaircompany.com.